Hi everyone. Two families are going sailing. Family A leaves the marina and sails 2.3 miles due north, then sails 3 miles due west. Family B leaves the marina and sails 2.3 miles due south, then sails 3 miles in the direction 1 degree north of due east. Which family is further from the marina? Explain your reasoning. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a picture. Let's make this the marina in the middle somewhere. Hopefully I can do this. So family A leaves the marina and sails 2.3 miles due north. Due north means you go the north direction. So let's do that. That's 2.3. Then sails 3 miles due west. That's going to be a right angle there. So this is 3 miles. And this one is 2.3 miles. All right, the second family B, leaves the marina here and sails 2.3 miles due south. So it's going down here. So it's going to be like that. That's 2.3 miles. Then sails 3 miles in a direction north of due east. So I'm going to put the 2.3 over here. So you're turning 1 degree north of due east. And that's going to be 3 miles as well. So I'll just make it, it's almost going to be 90 degrees. Because they're turning 1 degree, so it's like that. And this is 3 miles. So this angle here, included angle, is going to be 89 degrees. Because this angle here is 1 degree. All right, now it's asking you which family is farther from the marina. So from here, and this one's about here, so we're going to the marina, and I probably didn't draw this to scale, so this should be a straight line here. We're going to use our Hinge theorem and look at it. So basically, according to the Hinge theorem, the angle across, so if this is 90 degrees and this is 89 degrees, then this side's going to be longer than this side. So not much, but just 1 degree less. So actually this is family A here, and this one's family B. Well, family B is a little closer to the marina than family A because the angle is bigger than the included angle here. So the answer is family A. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.